Paula, and today we are going to make homemade iced coffee. This at work can be prepared get in house. From my viewpoint, it's delicious and easy to prepare it. Try it.
The ingredients are coffee, sugar, milk, and ice. And we'll buy ice, a spoon, a glass or mug, and blender. Remember that this recipe is made in the dinner room. Let's get started! Step 1. Beforehand, we can note that the ice must remove it from icebox. In the glass, we will 3 tablespoons of coffee, and 3 of sugar. Stirrs. Step 2. Inside the blender, we are going to put what we did in the glass. Then we put more milk and ice to taste. Step 3. We turn on the blender at high speed to seed the coffee and the ice, and so we end. Bring down the speed of the blender from time to time. Then turn out. Step 4. Pour back into the glass or mug and the iced coffee is ready. Go on trying the perfect heat. Speaking of which, you can use an ice cream bowl as a good option. Remember to clean up and don't forget leave it up anything off. I recommend that you tell boys this tutorial I go on making this recipe. Go with a friend or do it yourself but take over our heat.
My name is Maria Paula and I appreciate the attention provided. Thank you, ready.